Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. I'm going to be doing an unboxing here. What I got is the DCB112. It's the charger and the power stack battery, and also I got the saw here. It's the DCS391B, and I purchased both of these items at Lowe's, and I think it was if you buy the charger and the battery, you got the saw for free, and I think you got a choice of another item. I chose the saw because I needed one. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what we got. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. We might do a review later on. Like it's not much to it. Like at the top, you got the instructions. A whole lot of cardboard. Let's pull it out. It's a nice little box. Might be able to reuse that later on. Let me see, how do we get this open here? Simple as that. And that's it. Oh, man, look, and there's the blade at the bottom. Takes a 6.5-inch blade, and this is an 18-tooth blade, or 18T. Let's get rid of that. And here goes the saw. Pretty nice looking saw. Like how it's made. And let's go ahead and open up this charger and the batteries and see what's in here. Guess I can pop it open just like that. Nice little charger. Got some instructions here. See if I can pop this battery out. And we're not going to need this anymore. And there we go. There's the battery, the charger, and the saw. And of course the battery goes in here just like that. Let's see if there's any juice on this thing. Oh, got a little bit of juice, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to charge it before we use it. So that's it. Got the blade, the saw, the battery, and the charger. Thanks for watching.